Question 2. What's the difference between request mapping and get mapping annotations? For this question, we need to remember 3 key points. First key point, if applied at the method level, add request mapping by default is the same as add get mapping. This will be more clear if you see these few simple lines. We use add request mapping for the method say hello here. It will be the same if we use get mapping, like this, get mapping. Hello. Okay. We can verify this by running each. Right now we are using request mapping. If we run and we make sure we see the display, hello world, Tomcat started on port 8080. So we go to a browser and type localhost colon 8080 / hello. Okay, we see hello world. Then we come back to this program and change it to get mapping. Okay, change it to get mapping. Before we run it, we stop the previous motion and make sure that this one is done. Once we shut down that server, okay, it's done. So we rerun this get mapping version, clear this console, and restart the one with the get mapping. We expect to see the same. And Tomcat started on 8080 with get mapping this time. And then we go to this one, go to the browser and verify. We use the same URL. Right now it was done, and now it displays same hello world. That means request mapping and get mapping, they are the same at the method level for the request mapping's default. Second key point, get mapping can only handle get requests, while request mapping can handle get request and other requests like a post, put, delete. And the full syntax for request mapping is really like this, with 2 parameters. One is value, one is method get, which here is default. And the corresponding one for post is post mapping, and for put is put mapping, for delete, delete mapping. Third key point, add request mapping can be applied at the class level. Get mapping cannot. Request mapping at the class level can provide the root mapping path for all requests like this. We move the request mapping to the class level like this. Okay, we can use the demo as the root path for all method level, and we should use get mapping instead of request at this time. Okay, with this we can access the method with the root path plus the method level path. Now if we run the code again, when we access the method say hello, we should add the demo as the root path. Okay, now it started at 8080. So let's go to the site and let's say localhost colon 8080 / now we should use demo / hello with the demo as the root path. Now it's working here. So again, the third key point is the request mapping can be applied at the class level, and the get mapping cannot be.